So cute. Okay, Beyonce, we see you. Good morning, everyone. I literally adjusted my skincare, so my skin is like a disco ball right now. I feel like it's like, I feel like I forgot how to vlog. Wow, not like I've been doing this for years. Anyways, what's up, you guys? I feel like I've looked cuter in my life, but it's fine. I got my nails done, and I also just realized I forgot to put my rings on, so my hand looks very naked, minus this one. But yes, I got my nails done. We did a matte black again. It's been a while since I've done that, and I know we're all still shocked that I don't have white nails. It's kind of insane. And yes, I also have Ashley's car. She's usually parked behind me, so sometimes, especially if I'm just picking up coffee or doing something quick, it's so much easier to take hers. And I'm not gonna lie, I always tell her to take my car, but she never wants to. I don't get. Just kidding, I kind of do. She had a date the other night. Well, this was probably like weeks ago, to be honest. And I told her to take my car, and she was like, no. And she kept being like, no. And then I was like, Ashley, like, why not? Then it hit me. I was like, oh, I get it. You don't want to like come up and like basically scaring this guy off. You know what I mean? Like that could be a little intimidating. You know what I mean? I don't know, whatever. Point is, I get it. I'm sorry, but this is just a very pretty sight. Ash Nicole, is it true you didn't want to take my car because you didn't want the guy to think that you were a lot to handle?
What?
Is it true you didn't want to take my car on a first date because you didn't want the guy to think?
Absolutely. Could you imagine rolling up in an Aston on a first date?
You're like, hey, baby.
And then I'm like, hey, can you just buy me dinner?
You get pissed he doesn't buy dinner. Okay. Ooh, the tone. I feel like I can finally say good morning because the caffeine and the system, we love it. Also, I know I already mentioned the fact that I got my nails done, but I'm still not used to it, and I'm obsessed. Honestly, I feel pretty on my shit today. I have 2 vlogs ready to go. One I sent in, one I just need to finish a thumbnail. And then I need to film a haul today, which that means we gotta put on makeup, which I really don't want to do. Finished getting ready. My hair probably looks so bad from the back, but you know what? You're not gonna see it, so it's fine. I have like 45 minutes until I have a fitting, and before that fitting, I would love to do a little haul for you right now because I got some new shoes that I'd love to show you. Some of you are gonna yell at me and be like, you have way too many shoes. You're gonna see why, because they are so cute. And I thought about including those in the other haul that I'm gonna do, but honestly, I feel like I'd rather just show you guys now because they're really cute and I wanna wear them, and I don't wanna wait to wear them you get it. Also, oh my god, were none of you guys gonna tell me that this looks so bad? The sleeper sofa. Maybe we will just leave it looking a little unhinged. Was it you, mamas? I love you. Hold up, we gotta bring you back. I ordered some new shoes. Oh, delivered. Hold up. Ash, do you know if I got a package from Goat? Oh, I found it. Ta-da! Oh my god. Officially, new sneakers haul. First, I'll show you what I got from Goat because I had a gift card. So, as you can see, this is New Balance, not Nike. I know, you guys, we gotta change it up, but also you're gonna understand why I got these. I have these in green, and they are, I kid you not, the most comfiest shoes I've ever worn. Because they're New Balance, I feel like they actually are made for comfort, and they really like help your arches and stuff. So if you have bad arch support or anything, yo, like, so good. Ashley even loved them so much that she got the navy ones. So now together we have the black, navy, and green ones. And these babies, like, they're so beautiful. I just can't get over how comfortable they are. I love them. They're the 550s. Honestly, these, I feel like a lot of people are gonna start getting these shoes because they're just so comfortable, and they're honestly really cute, and I love that they come in different colors, and they're just, I don't know, like New Balance, I feel like that's such a dad shoe, but like love them. I feel like it looks so good with some parallel apparel, you know what I mean? Like a nice little, and just, I love. You can officially have comfort and cute. Okay, literally my mom, I know you're watching this, my mom would always make Ashley and I have like the shoes that were good, like had good support for you in elementary school, and all my friends had like Vans and Etnies and DCs and all these like really cool skater shoes. Meanwhile, Ashley and I would have these like old grandpa looking shoes because they were like better for our arches and everything. But now you can have comfort and style. Like, I'm obsessed. I actually ordered both of these from, also I'm so insecure now. Apparently I say both so funny. Both with an L, like what the fuck? I don't know. It doesn't make sense. Talked about this on Pretty Basic. And now anytime I say it, like I always knew I did, but now I'm so hyper aware of it that I just hear both. So comment below something that you say odd or weird, because I don't know where that came from. Anyways, I got both of these from Kith. Honestly, love Kith. I just don't really shop there too much because it is more expensive. I love these. Okay, you're gonna know. You're gonna know why I had to get these. Technically, these are men's shoes. Sometimes the cooler stuff is the men's, and it just doesn't make sense to me. Like, not all girls want like hot pink every single time. I feel like a lot of the women's things are like the more feminine version. Regardless, luckily a woman's 7.5 is just a men's 6, so a lot of the shoes that I get are men's, but I'm sorry. You guys know brown has been the color of 2021 for Alisha. Just a moment. These are so beautiful. Literally gorgeous chocolate brown. The side right here is actually like a light gray, and then this white on the sole is more of an off-white. I'm just like, I love with my heart. I want to show you the shoes I got. You're gonna definitely steal them from me. Cute.
Shop parallel apparel.
Oh, hot. You know what would look good with that outfit?
Chocolate.
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 Aren't those so cute?
Wow.
Kith, like I got an email from Kith and they were in it.
Smell good.
Oh my gosh. Picture them.
Wouldn't it be cool if they smelled like chocolate?
No, I don't want my feet smelling like chocolate. Are they so cute?
Yeah, they're
I
great.
fucking love them. I literally was just looking at these and I was like, they look a little big. They're a men's 6.5. Did I know that? I probably did. They were probably out. So this is probably like an 8. So I love these. Okay, the last ones that I got are also not Nike. I know, big shock, you guys. Box did come a little like ripped, which is fine. If it wasn't obvious, Alisha was doing some retail therapy this day. I was in the fall mood and I saw these babies and I thought, if this isn't the perfect like boot for winter, because it's a sneaker but it's a boot, so it's like perfect, then I don't know what is. Okay, Beyonce, we see you. Ivy Park Adidas. This is amazing. Like I genuinely love all the detail, like the patent leather right here, but then this is smooth leather. I'm thinking of going to Mammoth or Big Bear. Like I'm genuinely so excited. And I remember getting an 8 because I was thinking of wearing like socks and stuff so they wouldn't be too small. Even the details, so these are obviously not something that I would normally just get, but I feel like this is gonna be perfect for fall and winter, and I genuinely think they're adorable. So I'm gonna try to have all of these linked down below if you guys are interested in having them or if you just wanna see where you can buy them, but I'm obsessed with these. So my battery definitely died. I feel like it's been dying so much, but the thing is, guys, I swear I've been charging them. So I think I just need new batteries, or it's my charger that's not working because they keep dying. I keep charging them. They say they're full, boom, dead. What's up? Come join. Oh my god, guys, we have a special guest in the vlog.
It's been a minute.
Cheers. So I have,
Look at my pumpkin mug.
look at my, so extra
It's
mug.
appropriate for October.
What do you want to borrow?
Well, I wanted to see if you could film me
Right now?
today.
Or I'm free till 3.
Okay.
So it'd have to be soon. But I also just need to get ready.
Well, I can wait till 3.
We're recording 3 episodes of PB today.
Oh.
3.
When is a good time to do Dyson?
We can tonight. Like afterwards. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Also, Saturday I'm free. If you want to, we can get you ready because we're in the pumpkin day. Such a mood right now. I have training at 9. Also, guys, I'm feeling so much better. I worked out this morning for the first time in like 3 weeks. Felt great. But point being, I have, essentially we're recording 3 episodes of Pretty Basic today, which means I need 3 outfits to pack. I think I've successfully packed 3 cute outfits for the pod. I'm wearing this brown 2-piece set, which is super cute from White Fox. And then I'm wearing, of course, my light beige cropped jacket from Urban Outfitters. And then we're wearing the Travis Scott Air Force Ones, which I need to clean a little bit. And then I just straightened my hair, which I kind of love. I feel like I never straighten my hair. I also realized, that I forgot jewelry. So I don't feel like I need it for this fit, but I feel like I'll need it for the other ones. Where's all my jewelry?
And they have a little tag.
Okay guys, where'd my coffee? I literally just, I was like, I just had it. We're in the studio, obviously. Episode 1 of 3. Very excited to be back because Rem did a solo last week. She said, bitch, I don't want you in the studio. And I was like, it's okay, I get it. So, just kidding. No, I'm actually really excited.
Your episode was very funny.
It was so good, although I do have one complaint.
Yes.
33 minutes.
I recorded for 3 hours.
I know.
I was like, no, there must be a mistake. She must have said only half the episode, but then she said I was like, I just
Repeated yourself and repeat. I get it. It's so.
I wish if I had known, I would have done more. I was like,
You were like,
I
yeah.
didn't know.
Can I be honest though? Sometimes I love a short episode.
Same.
Because it's like 30. It takes 30 minutes to get anywhere in LA usually. So it's like, it's usually like one ride, like it's not too much. Yeah. I don't know, like I really enjoy, by the end I was like, I'm so inspired.
That's
like,
so, you should have seen me. Every sentence I'd be like, I was just really cheering her on.
Oh, it's like just went like, yeah! I still sound slightly congested, so. I had a vlog go up and I had to do a voiceover part and all the comments were literally like, I can tell Alisha's sick from the voiceover because the vlog was filmed, you know, a while ago.
The fact that you made it a year and a half without getting sick is pretty impressive.
Yeah, I truly have not been sick in so long. I also feel like I kind of killed my wing today, guys. Also, we got new lights for the studio and I'm obsessed. These are good. If anyone's interested, they're definitely expensive, but if you're doing anything of this like production, Gemini 2x1 soft light panels. They have all these different things. I'm not gonna touch it because Whit would probably be really upset. She's like, spends an hour getting the lighting perfect. And I'm like, look, they changed colors. This one's a different one, right?
It's the same one, but just a different stand.
Okay. So we have 3 of them now, and I just feel like it's more even. It looks great. Also, TK has a nice little setup here. We use the Rodecaster Pro.
You really need vlog clips today, girlie?
You know, she goes, you really need vlog clips today? I'm just trying to get them a little more, BTS. Don't come for me, bitch!
She says that to me when I'm vlogging, like random shit. He's like, you really need
I love how Cal gets it. Like 2 years in, I feel like 2 years exactly, he was like, I get it now. We got Alfred.
God bless you. Oh, thank you.
Don't see. I'm just kidding. Caffeinate.
Do you guys
Gotta hydrate.
outline for this?
Oh, yes, please. Outfit change. I forget where I got this from. I feel like it's Princess Polly. White boots, Revolve. I think they're Sam Edelman. Lauren and Jeremy are on their way, and I'm very excited because last time we filmed video for theirs, but we didn't have the studio, so we didn't do video. We just like laid on my couch, which was low-key was fun. Kind of miss it, but excited to do a swap.
Funny.
Let's do it.
What can I do? Can you do a video of this?
Cal!
Cal! Oh, I found that
I started on this page.
I'm hanging on by a thread to stay alive and awake right now. I'm very tired. Oh no!
We are so excited to be on an award-winning podcast. That's the excitement.
I think I'm the only reason you guys even know you have an award.
Literally, actually.
Yes.
Moose just shit on the floor.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
We may have gone in a fight the night before, but we're good now.
Cal just called me mommy.
Update. I am so exhausted. I know. You smell mousse? I know. Like midnight, we just made it back home. We recorded with Lauren and Jeremy, and then we went to their house and did an episode for their channel. I meant to vlog, totally didn't. It was actually a really funny episode, but I'm exhausted, so sorry I didn't vlog there. I'm gonna go to bed. We're gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know, who is she? She's actually ending the vlog for once. Or being a good YouTuber. Don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, all that fun stuff. Okay. Love you, bye.
We want something more than the rah-rah. Now give me God.